So we're here today at Stagecoach Torquay, one of their first 100% electric depots. We've installed 54 charging sockets here, supporting over 60 buses. That's part of a larger project in the South West, where we're electrifying 3 depots for Stagecoach. We're supporting Stagecoach in a number of ways on their journey from diesel to electric.
It's a £35 million investment for 60 vehicles and the associated charging infrastructure to support them, that's going to be operating all of our bus services here in Torquay.
So VEV IQ is effectively acts as a single pane of glass for the customer. It enables them to see what's happening explicitly on their chargers. If they can start-stop chargers, they can see what's happening, understand which bus is plugged in where, and then we have the ability then to control those chargers from a power perspective, so smart charging, load management and power optimization. So VEV IQ uses all the information that we get from the bus, the information we get from the charging infrastructure to enable the fleets to run and operate their infrastructure seamlessly, ensure that the buses are charged to go out on time, but more importantly now as well, we're using it pretty significantly to optimise cost and optimise their power and energy usage across all the sites.
Smart charging is really important for bus operators in 2 ways. One is it helps them charge within their grid limits, and the other one is scheduling when the buses charge. There's a big difference between buses charging expensively in the early evening and very cheaply in the early hours of the morning.
It's been nothing but positive in terms of our delivery to the public at Torquay, the driver's experience, the noise levels, just general comfort levels. So it's been a step change and it's been very exciting to be part of it.
And we've seen some of those kind of early proof points here in Torquay already, with how we maintain our vehicles, how we train our drivers, and mostly, and really importantly, our customers really love them as well.
I think they look very good, nice and quiet. I like them. I noticed them straight away. They're really good. We've got both got hybrid cars, so we're quite quiet and we appreciate it. They look lovely.
Reliability is great. They're heated, they're cooled, comfortable. So it's been nothing but positive feedback from drivers. It's quite a different experience for a passenger because it's gone from vibrations and loud noise to quiet comfort. So it's instantly noticeable by our passengers, and you can feel the excitement around the bay with our new fleet being introduced.
Our mission is making depot electrification as simple as it can be for the operators to deliver more electric buses into the operator space, and in turn deliver cleaner and greener journeys for the travelling passengers across the UK. Obviously we want to navigate the transition for them as seamlessly as possible, so we've worked alongside them to maintain business as usual as much as possible.
VEV have been a really collaborative partner. There has been challenges, but we've worked through those challenges as a team, and that's I think testament to my team here at Stagecoach South West, as well as the team that VEV had on the project as well.